Shawty wanna do it in the north.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. We're about to hit Bears and Gears CLT. Last time was crazy. I don't even know what to expect this time around, man. But make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you can stay notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at SansyGen to keep up with it. And cop some TunerGodz merch, yo. Use the promo code BDayBoy to get 15% off the entire store. And so we're leaving Cars and Coffee Concord right now to hit Bears and Gears. Get there a little early, get some good parking. This is going to be one for the books, people. So you know we're early, man. We have to get some grub at the Protagonist whenever they open up. But yo, we have the lineup right here, man.
Yeah.
It's purple ass, indigo, clean ass, glossy ass GTR with my man Luke right here. Always a busy man. But this thing, oh my God, guys. Look at this, man. Loving the green on this 5.0 right here, man. That thing is sexy, but I mean, we are pretty early, so you're not really seeing too much around. And then we just missed this sexy ass R8 V10 that just came in too, man. This thing is wild. Look at that monster. Oh my God. Beat up, boys. 675 LT, boys. Yes, sir. And then Pista, boys. Oh, man. Of course, we got some more supercars coming in. This little Aventador boy, super sick. Alright, boys. So clean, man. Huracan, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. KJ in the GT3 RS. Alright. What's up, KJ? What's up, big man? Yes, sir. This little Ferrari boy, though, that thing is so sick. This F-Type is sick as hell, man. Love that color on it. For real, for real. Beamer boys. Got the homie Russell pulling through? Yes, sir. But check out his buddies. Yeah, dog. I like it. Shoo. You see how big this pizza slice is, man? Use my arm for reference, but this thing has at least 5 tablespoons of oil in it. This thing is crazy, man. And then they really brought out the whole S2000 lineup too, man. With the primary colors, the yellow, the red, the blue. Oh my goodness, man. This is sick, man. This is really, really sick. JDM all the freaking way. And then we got homie from earlier and his S2K too. Mustang boys coming in the car too, man. Shoo. This M2, man, that color is so beautiful. So beautiful, man. Look at this thing though, man. Oh my god. It's crazy. It's a big ass cowl too, man. Big ass cowl on the Camaro. That's a carbon fiber hood too, people. But look at this badass Rari right here, man. Oh my goodness, dog. That's sick. Boy, this Lambo though. Oh my god, bro. That thing is so nice. Listen to that exhaust. Oh my goodness. Aston Martin boys, of course. Yes, sir. This Viper though, man. Oh my god, bro. Look at this thing. It's nasty. Big Wang Gang? Nasty ass Viper right here, man. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, that's wild. Oh, yes, sir. WRX boys coming through. More Beamers down the line. Man, it just doesn't stop. People keep on pulling in, and this is pretty sick. Ooh, this Mustang though, dog. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at this GTR, man. Oh, that thing is so freaking sick, dog. Oh my goodness, man. Holy crap. Got a whole Nismo color scheme coming in too. Crazy, man. Crazy. This G37 though. Oh my god. The carbon fibers on the trunk. The GTR kind of taillights. But you know it's all about the R8s. God, that thing is nasty. Holy crap. What's up, bro? How are you? Lotus boys came in. Evora boys. Sexy ass R8, of course. And then the Esprit. The same thing I've been calling Esprit this whole time. It's still a sick ass Lotus though, man. This purple Urus though. Didn't even see this thing come in earlier, but this thing is sexy as hell, bro. Oh my god. This Beamer's crazy with the carbon fiber hood too, man. Nice. What can I say, man? Bears and Gears CLT Charlotte, man, always a freaking fun time. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you can stay notified whenever I upload. Definitely follow the car build on the Instagram at Sansigen to keep up with it. And definitely cop some TunerGodz merch, yo. Use the promo code BDayBoy to get 15% off the entire store. But we're gonna wrap this up right here. So you already know. Peace, love, sleep in grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs. Videos like this one, cause of Saze Vlogs.
I say fling it back on me. Got the body and do it on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup and never free. Girl, they looking at your